Lesson 5 is going to be about encryption, specifically encrypting data at rest, in transmission, and in use. Before we get started, it is very important to know that Transparent Data Encryption, or TDE, is automatically providing encryption at rest for all Azure SQL services. It's also very important to note that that service was made available for SQL servers in May 2017, so any SQL servers that were created before May 2017 are not automatically encrypted at rest. For managed SQL instances, February 2019 is also the cutoff point. So any managed SQL instance that was created before February 2019 has not been automatically encrypted at rest. For transmission or communication, you need to enable secure transfer, which always uses HTTPS communication. In our next lab, we'll also be talking about how to encrypt in use by using Azure Key Vault. As a quick overview of the architecture of SQL, we will have Azure Key Vault that will be using Azure Active Directory in order to make both key encryption keys and data encryption keys, which will be used to encrypt SQL.